Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia Device to TCL NxtPaper 10s. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to continue, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both devices. Now I need to rotate my tablet and select Send on Nokia and Receive on TCL. From here you need to click on all of those dots on your Nokia smartphone and choose Send. This way you will select all of them and transfer them later on. It will take a long time to do it now, so I'll go with one photo, choose Send and tap on Get It. As you can see now, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon on TCL, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key here and tap on Receive button. As you can see now, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!